Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Josh Black, a senior concept artist at Stoke Games, and I also teach figure drawing, human anatomy, and concept art here on my YouTube channel, where I try to share free videos with tips and advice on exercises and things that I do daily to improve as an artist. I've been in the video game industry now for, I believe, over 17 years, working on titles such as Disney Infinity, Hogwarts Legacy, Multiverses, and currently I'm working on a project called Tier, a tank combat game that I'm really excited about. And with all that experience, I've learned a lot about character design, environment design, and I wanted to share some of the things that I've learned with you in this newest tutorial that I've created called Mastering Realistic and Stylized Proportions. In this in-depth tutorial that has several hours of content, I really wanted to share with you things that I've learned to do over the years to really help ground my figurative and conceptual work in better anatomy, more believable proportions, and more believable form and structure. And the next couple of minutes, I want to share with you a brief overview of all the content that will be in this tutorial. In the first chapter, we will spend a good amount of time going over the 8 heads tall canon of both the male and female figure. And you can see here I developed my own mannequin for both sexes and really fleshed out the back view, profile, and front view that we will go over in depth, and we'll study the measurements and the landmarks that are really important to know for being able to internalize the structure of the human figure and to be able to draw it then from memory, from imagination. And that's actually what the latter half of the first chapter is where I teach you an exercise where we will take all the knowledge that we learned from studying the mannequin and those general proportions and anatomy, and then draw the figure in more dynamic poses, really trying to focus on how we can nail the structure while maintaining the flow and the rhythms of the figure. And then we will move on to chapter 2. In chapter 2, we'll have a little more fun and we'll go ahead and create our own gaming characters using the knowledge from the first chapter, the mannequin, and really pushing and exaggerating it to create the 3 archetype classes of light, medium, and heavy, or tank class characters. And this is a really great exercise with teaching us how learning realistic anatomy can immediately transfer over to more stylized character designs. And it helps keep them grounded again in strong anatomy and structure. So I think you'll enjoy this chapter. And then we'll move on to chapter 3, where I go over an exercise that I personally love for increasing my range of character types that I can draw from imagination. In the final chapter, we will focus primarily on doing quick thumbnail character sketches and iterations, focusing on the overall silhouette and shape, and putting them side by side on these lineups. It's a great exercise that I've learned to do that's really helped me to increase the amount of characters I can draw from imagination. It makes it easier because you're focusing just on the overall shapes and the silhouette. You're not getting bogged down by all the little details or the color, the costume, and all those things. And it's a great exercise if you want to be a character designer, especially for a video game studio where silhouette is super important for making your gaming characters readable from a distance. And I think you'll enjoy doing the homework for that chapter. And just to finish, I want to say that this tutorial will not only feed and inform your concept art, your character design, but it'll really help you to inform your figurative art your gestures and your figure drawings. When you've studied the mannequin and you've really pushed yourself to draw the mannequin out of your head, you start developing shorthand techniques for drawing both the male and female figure a lot faster when you're doing those gesture drawings, because you're not only just drawing what you see, but you're mixing that up with what you know. And so hopefully this tutorial will give you more knowledge to inform your figurative and gestural work. I also wanted to let you know that as of today until the end of this month, August, I will be running my back to school sale with all of my Gumroad products 35% off. That includes the tutorial that we just went over, mastering realistic and stylized proportions, and all of the other courses that I've posted on my Gumroad, including the all-in-one anatomy bundle, the head painting tutorial bundle, and all the other one-off tutorials, ebooks, and brush packs. So I really hope that this discount will help you with your back to school artistic goals. And thanks again so much for tuning in till the end of this video, and until the next one. All right, bye.